If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Hi, welcome to Sri Krishna Kitchen. Today is Mahanavami. Since it is an auspicious day, I have planned to prepare a sweet item. Today I am going to prepare rice palada. This is Kerala special kheer. It is also called rice pasta bits. Early morning, I have finished my puja. Now, let us see how to prepare rice palada. I have taken double horse rice palada. Actually, this is a 200 gram rice palada, but I am taking only 100 gram. 2 small sachet milk powder. This I will tell you why I am using milk powder today. 1.5 liter 100 gram double horse rice palada. We have to use 1.5 liter milk, big cup full of sugar, raisins, cashew nuts, cardamom. Let us prepare the rice palada. Boil the milk. Take heavy bottom vessel. Switch on the gas. Keep on low flame. Don't keep milk on high flame. Let it boil. In the meantime, let me add this palada. This is made out of rice, but this is a bit hard. So directly if we add to the milk, it takes long time to cook. So initially we have to soak into the hot water. I am going to tell you one important tips. Normally we all use milk maid while making kheer. But today I am not using milk maid. I am using milk powder. Here I have taken 2 sachet Amulya milk powder. After soaking palada into the hot water, close and keep it aside. Milk is boiling on low flame only. Soaked palada is soft now. Let us drain out the water. I am going to add this to the milk. Give a quick mix. Let it cook. Make the flame bit high. Mix well. Check frequently. In the meantime, I am going to roast cashew nut and raisins. Add half tablespoon ghee. Add cashew nuts. Roast it. It's done. It's light brown. Raisins. Fry. Palada in between. It has to cook well. In between, I am trying to check it. Just press it. It is not cooked. Cook few more minutes. Palada almost cooked. Keep for 5 minutes. As I told you earlier, here I have taken milk powder. Add hot water and mix the milk powder. You can also take hot milk from here and mix the milk powder. Let us add milk powder to palada. Give a quick mix. Now I am adding sugar into it. Add required sugar. I don't make too sweet. Going to add cashew nut so that cashew nut will cook very softly. Add cardamom. Mix well. After adding cashew nut, let it boil. Stir well. Roasted raisins. Give a good mix. It's boiling. It's done completely. Add half teaspoon ghee. Mix well. Switch off the gas. I'll transfer this to the other side. Tasty, delicious rice palada is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.